What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. I hope you guys are definitely killing it. I hope you've already started your business or you're about to start. Q4 starting up. So, holiday season shoppers are going crazy this year once again. And you know, Amazon is going to break records year after year. So, make sure you guys are setting up your businesses. If you haven't, make sure you have your LLC, your EIN numbers, your bank account, checking accounts, and of course, most important, make sure you have your seller's permit if you're going to be doing Amazon FBA. So I'm really excited for you guys, and I just want to drop some news. Finally dropped an Amazon course. Link is down below. Definitely check it out. And of course, follow me on Instagram, subscribe, like the video. But most important, I wanted to do an Amazon course because I get this all the time. Hey, George, I want you to mentor me, but I know you're busy, blah, 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 blah. And I'm busy. Sometimes I just want to record something for everybody and they can just watch it at home from, A to Z, step by step. So that's why I decided to do an Amazon course. I'm still going to be dropping videos here on YouTube now. I'm going to be more consistent. That's my promise. I'm still going to be doing the product research videos as well. And of course, you guys want to copy any of the products, take it. It's all money. You know what I'm saying? I'm not greedy. So make sure you guys keep subscribing to the channel. Keep watching every video that I'm going to be putting out because October, November, December, these are going to be some pretty hot months. And I hope I can be involved in you guys' journey. So with that said, once again, the Amazon course is linked down below. I made it pretty cheap. I'm not charging like crazy prices. So it's up to you guys if you want to take advantage of it. Regardless, I'm still going to be putting out some free content. So I want to drop a quick video on, anybody that's getting started with Amazon who's in the product research phase right now, what to look for when you're doing product research. Obviously, the first thing you're looking for is Amazon on the listing. If Amazon is on the listing, stay away from the product. Is the brand on the listing? Sometimes this is it's a 50-50 for me. I try to stay away if there's only one FBA seller and that FBA seller is the brand itself. Most of the time, it means they just kicked everybody out or they don't want anybody else to sell their own brand. And so I'm very cautious about that. And how many sellers are on the listing? My recommendation is 3 to 10 sellers. The reason I like that is because I know I'm going to be safe. I'm going to be in that bunch of FBA sellers. And once you cross like 10 sellers, then it gets kind of competitive. I've seen people push it to like 10 or 15, but I like to stay around 3 to 10 sellers. I know I can definitely do well. And I know this is a product I'm not going to have any issues. Of course, make sure you guys are checking your reviews, the reviews on the listing quality, the pictures. Make sure there's the title is full with keywords. The product description is full of keywords. It's not always a make or break, but it's good when you find a listing that has all those things. You know it's going to be consistently flying, off the shelf. Make sure you guys are checking the best sellers rank, BSR. This is that identification number that Amazon gives to their products. Not the UPC, don't get it confused. Best sellers rank. Normally, I try to stay away from any product that's over 50,000. Best sellers rank. I try to stay below 50,000 because I know the less the number, the more volume the product is definitely moving. It's definitely selling. So best sellers rank always, if you can get it, product that's like 10,000 best sellers rank, 5,000, 2,000. I've seen products that are like around even 10. And once you get to like best sellers rank 1, it can be very competitive. So I try to stay around 50,000 all the way down to, I want to say 500. That's kind of, I know it's a big range, but next, you guys want to make sure you check your numbers. Jungle Scout, Viral Launch. I feel like there's groups are divided. Some people only like Viral Launch. Some people only like Jungle Scout. That's up to you. I use Jungle Scout. Link is down below. That's where I get all my numbers when I'm doing product research on a product. And of course, guys, make sure you have your Keepa. Read your Keepa chart. Make sure that the product you're doing is not just seasonal. I mean, you can do seasonal, of course, holiday season. There's products you're only gonna, capitalize just for like the next 2, 3 months. But most of my products, I like to make sure they're consistent throughout the year. Doesn't mean you can't do holiday or summer products. That's up to you, or winter. So one thing I didn't put on this slide, which this one is on the course, is rev seller. Definitely make sure you're keeping up with your calculator, FBA calculator. Make sure you're keeping up with rev seller to make sure that you are profitable. Okay, make sure you're profitable on every product that you do. So I'm gonna keep this video short. I hope you guys once again have been killing it. If you're starting out, don't hesitate. Holiday season, you can't really go wrong. I mean, everybody's gonna be shopping online even more. So all the products you want to gear up, you want to make sure you're stocked up because you're gonna run out of inventory holiday season because it's the best time of the year. So with that said, I'll still post more videos, guys. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week when I post the next video.